Alright guys, I know it's been like almost a year, but we're back and we're gonna keep filming this project. And right now, I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm going to start messing with the head. So, I'm kind of a germaphobe, not really, but I kind of am. I'm not gonna use that toilet. I'm gonna plan on getting a new toilet, even though it costs money. I just would like a new toilet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this toilet. I don't know what's on this toilet, and I'm just trying to be safe. Just trying to be safe. I know I could probably just change the toilet seat. It's just disgusting. Yeah. Oh, there's another hose. Yep. Oh, gosh. Ew, 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 ew. I probably look like such a baby right now. Ugh. Oh, poo water. Oh, why is that in there? Why is that in there? Oh, that's disgusting. No. I thought it dripped on my shoe. This is disgusting. I did not have a good plan for this. Please don't dump on my white sail. I'm throwing it over. I can't film it. Sorry, guys. Throwing me here. Slide it down the ladder. Kind of broken to pieces. That would have been seawater inlet. And this would have been the outlet. Just wanted to show you guys what was under the toilet. That's nasty. That's either some old paper towels or old toilet tissue. I guess I need to get to cleaning. I sort of got sidetracked on cleaning the head, and I ended up starting to rip out the galley. So that is what the galley looks like right now. It is a mess. I don't know if I want to continue cleaning the head or now I want to continue with the galley. Oh, the head needs to be cleaned. The head needs to be cleaned. Orange screwdriver. There you go. Oh, there's a fucking screw right there. Oops. I think now we're just going to continue with deconstructing the interior of the boat. She's coming out. So I didn't think we'd be doing this today. Motor is currently floating, hooked up to a chain fall. There's a forklift out there. A spot actually opened up so I could get a machine back here. So that was awesome. Right now it's just a shift cable and a couple electrical connections that I just never undid. So I'm gonna just cut those and we'll get this thing out of the boat. Guys, so the engine is on the ground. The time lapse cut out because my phone actually fell. I got off work a little early, so we're just gonna keep working on this thing. Hopefully this side of the boat will look like this side of the boat. I know some of y'all may say, oh, that doesn't look too bad, and it really doesn't look that bad, but the whole point of cutting all this stuff out is to get the extra space that these walls and these built-ins take up. Alright guys, so this is currently the port wall. The icebox is being a pain in my butt. So I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow and continue working on that. And again, this side, I also did wipe out the head a little bit. See, it's much cleaner in there. Not super clean, but a lot cleaner. I still gotta figure out what I'm going to do with the head. Oh, that's a lot of pieces. Rusty nail, dude. Remember, there's nails all over these boards. Ow! Stab my thumb. Oh, man. This one's got a ton of nails on them. I don't stab myself with that. I think I should probably keep this board. It's just so thick. I don't know what I'd use it for. Gross. Ow! Pay attention, fucker. Pretty sure I just lifted it with my back. Oh. Jeez. Cheese and crackers. Well, it's all in the dog cart. Now the dog cart's heavy as shit. Man. That was a little easier. Let's try this again. All you gotta do for now is go underneath the boat. Forgot there's a bunch of glass around here because they busted out some windows to pick up a tower. This tower over here came from a landing craft. I don't even know if I should walk on it. Pretty cool. Let's see, it's on blocks. Switched out a cinematic so I can use a wider view. Wider camera lens. I wonder if it's a smart idea to go up this thing or not. I guess we're gonna see. It's super rusty. If it moves, I'm not going to, but oh, we're good. It's solid. Oh. Don't touch the rail, I guess. Oh, this thing's sketchy. You see, they put the forks in between these two windows, or through those two windows, and just picked this thing up. Home station's not locked up. Oop. There's a VHF up here. All right, enough messing around. let's close out this video. Ooh. Hope this frame isn't too weird. I just finished editing this video and realized I never filmed an outro. I actually just looked at my YouTube channel, and it's been a year since I posted a video on the boat. And that's crazy. I can't believe it's been a year. In all honesty, my girlfriend broke up with me a couple months ago. I realized that I had a bunch of free time again, so started working on the boat again. And I'm hoping that this is going to be a continuing series. Basically, I have a strong deadline that I have to meet at the end of 2025. I'm gonna try my best to post one video a week, at least that's my goal. Especially if the boat needs to be done at the end of December. At least I'm hoping that the boat's gonna be done at the end of December, just so I can move on to it, because that's the end goal here, is to be moored out in the river, and a lot of stuff needs to happen before that happens. Anyways, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit that like button and feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.